In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to charge clients in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create and send a clean, professional invoice that your client can pay online with just a few clicks. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel sub-account and heading to the Payments section. This is your home base for all things billing. From there, open Invoices and Estimates, then click New to begin creating a fresh invoice. You'll see an option to start a new invoice. Go ahead and select that to open the invoice editor. Next, choose the customer you want to bill. If the contact already exists, select them from the list. If not, add them first so their details are saved for future billing. Double-check the billing email and company name so the invoice lands in the right inbox and looks polished. Set the issue date to the day you want the invoice to become active. Then choose a due date. You can use a simple Net 7, Net 15, or Net 30 approach, or pick a specific day. Keep in mind weekends and holidays so your client has a fair window to pay. Now add your line items. Click Add Product to pull from your saved products or services. In this example, choose Web Page Enhancement. You can adjust quantity, unit price, tax, and discounts right on the line. Clear descriptions help clients understand exactly what they're paying for. If the client bought more than one item and the due dates match, click the plus icon to add another product to the same invoice. Keeping related purchases on one invoice simplifies things for both you and your client. For our example, add Digital Marketing Masterclass as the second line item. Review quantities, pricing, and any discounts so the totals are accurate. When everything looks good, click Send. Before it goes out, you'll be prompted to give the invoice a name. Use a clear naming convention, like client name, service, month, so it's easy to find later. This also helps your client recognize the purpose at a glance. Finally, click Send again to deliver the invoice. Your client will receive an email with a secure payment link, and payments will flow into your connected gateway. If you want, add a short, friendly note in the message field to set expectations or say thanks. That's it. Log in, create a new invoice, select the customer, set dates, add products, review, name, and send. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.